How to add discounts on Shopify. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add discounts to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Shopify admin and you will get right here. If you have a store, then of course you have an admin, and here I'll show you how to create a discount. So you can see we have different options. We have home, orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, and discounts. So you have to click on discount right here and it will take you to the discounts and you will be able to create a discount. Click on create discount option. Now, there are different types of discounts that we can create on Shopify. We have amount off products, amount off order, buy X, get Y, free shipping. So these are the different kind of discounts that you can create. For example, it's going to be 10% off products, it's going to be 10% off the order or the product. Then we have like buy one get one free and free shipping. I will be creating a discount for amount of order. So for that, I will just select it. And then we have method, discount code or automatic discount. So I will be generating a discount code that you will have to use this code in order to avail the discount. So I'm just going to click on generate. And this is the code that I will share on my social media with my customers so that they will be able to avail it. Moving on, we have value. If you want to go with a fixed amount that, okay, I will be giving away maybe $50 off a order, $25 off a product, or I'm going with order. And then we have percentage. 10% off. It depends on their order amount. So I will be going with percentage. So with percentage, I am actually giving away 20% off any order that my customers will be doing. Minimum purchase requirement, that okay, this is the minimum requirement. If you're buying something above $200, then you will be able to avail this discount or not. I will go with no minimum requirement. This is actually going to be a really good discount for my customers. Then we have customer eligibility, specific customers. Again, I'm just going to go with all customers. Maximum discount uses, limit number of time this discount can be used, or limit to one use per customer. So I'm going to limit number of times by adding it to. So one person can actually use this for 2 times. This is actually pretty good. We actually don't do that often. Then we have different combinations and shipping discount as well. I'm not doing that. Active date. So this will be activated from today and I'm going to set an end date. This is a limited offer and it's going to be for, let's actually go to 24. There it is. Okay, so these are the dates we have, and it's actually going to be for 10 or 11 days. So perfect. Once you have added all of the details, you will be able to see the summary, discount code, amount of order, coding, 20% off an entire order. There is no minimum purchase. All customers, limit to 2 uses, can combine with any other discount, and it is activated till this date. Click on save and your discount will be created on Shopify. Now you can get your shareable link and share with your customers. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.